Look at this, homemade baked beans and fish cakes, a true Nova Scotia East Coast meal. So if you're interested in how to make this old-fashioned East Coast meal, you're in the right place. I will also make this up in a couple short videos. That way it's shorter to watch and easier to make. So let's get started. So with this bean recipe, this is a fairly larger amount I'm making. I'm going to split this in half for it and put it on the screen, the amount that it will make. So the first thing that you're going to do with the beans is you're going to pour them in a good sized pot. That only takes up about a quarter of the pot. And then you're going to put a generous amount of water over them. Alright, so we got the pot 3/4 full of water. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to throw this on the stove. Maybe we'll place it on the stove. And we're going to put this on high until it comes to a boil. We're going to reduce it down to a simmering boil. And I'm going to let it go for 2 to 3 hours. And keep trying them until they're at the right texture, which is completely soft. Because once you add all the spices, they will not get any softer. So let's go throw them on the stove. So these have been on a slow simmer for the last hour and a half. You can see how much of the water is reduced. It's just that they're covered. So I'm adding a bit more water, just about, I'd say, an inch over the top of them. I'm going to put this up on high, close to a boil. We're going to reduce it to a simmer. Going to leave it go for about another hour, which would be 2.5 hours. And I'm going to try the bean. I'm going to make sure that it's nice and soft. That way I know it's done. Alright, so the beans are done. 2.5 hours roughly. The water's roughly level, a little bit below it. As you can see, they're still a nice one piece, but nice and soft. Done to perfection. So it is time to add the ingredients. So we're going to start with molasses. It wouldn't be Canadian without maple syrup. Butter, mustard, ketchup, and brown sugar. Alright, so we're getting that mixed up well. What we're going to do is we're going to cook that on a nice simmer for an hour, and then we're going to let it set for about 2 to 3 hours, and then we're going to refrigerate it overnight, and then we're going to reheat it. That makes the best beans. So it has a nice simmer on now. We're going to leave this go for about 1 hour or until it gets nice and thick. The beans have been simmering for an hour and a half or so. You can see how thick they are. We're going to turn these off, and we're going to leave them cool for a few hours and then put them in the fridge overnight. So the beans have been cooling down for about 2 hours actually. They're getting nice and thick. They're cool enough. We're going to put them in the fridge overnight, and then we'll take them out and we're going to eat them with some fish cakes. It's going to be delicious. Alright, so we have this beautiful East Coast Nova Scotia meal all put together, ready to try. Please hit that subscribe. My mom's here today. I'm going to grab her. She's going to taste test it with us. Alright, so here's my mom, Joanne, Nanny. We're going to give this East Coast meal a try and see what it tastes like. So let's start with fish cakes. Look, nice and crispy. Try that piece. I'm going to go with the front end here. Nice and crunchy.
Oh.
Good salt taste to it.
Perfect.
Fish pretty good. You
I
like
never
it?
had any better. It's
No?
delicious.
Let's try the beans. Nice and sweet.
Oh.
Tender. Like it?
It goes perfect with those.
Both goes good together. Have a good day. Hit subscribe.